I saw this small herd of bighorn sheep by the road, and I stopped to film it. And while I was filming, I noticed that they all kind of looking towards left, that something happening on the left, and I couldn't really see it because I was looking at the camera. So just a couple seconds later, these two antelopes comes in the picture. We call them antelopes, but their real name is pronghorns, and they're not really related to antelopes at all. And what the amazing thing is that they are fastest land mammal in North America, and the second fastest land mammal in the world after the cheetahs. And they are really fast animals. They can run for miles and miles. They can maintain the same speed for long distances. And these are two boys. You can identify them as a male because they have a dark spot under their jaw, just below the eye, below the jaw. So these are two boys. They just kind of running through, I guess. And it was kind of cool to see them. They're not very rare animals, but they just came in the picture while I was filming sheep. I thought that was kind of cool.